May unboxing na naman tayo. Today we'll unbox one of the latest earbuds from Samsung. I don't know why I'm tapping and shaking it though, but we'll unbox the Samsung Buds 2 Pro. The packaging looks sleek and shiny, and I actually like the color. We chose purple because it looks unique, and it reminds me of my favorite Filipino dessert, ube. Before I get hungry, let's get back to unboxing. I am using my ever-dependable knife again, and as I always say, be careful using your knife. Remember not to accept the item if the seal is broken or missing, for you to know it's never been opened, and for authenticity as well. Behold, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I love how it's sealed inside. Just above the box, you will find the owner's manual. I don't know if you will read it though, or to be honest, I don't, which is a bad habit. So I still suggest you guys to read it. Good thing I have my partner who is really interested in reading it. Lucky me. Getting back on the earbuds. The earbud itself is wrapped on a more like parchment paper used for baking. The Samsung logo is embossed on its casing, which is very unique because on the previous Samsung earbuds case, it's just printed. Great job, Samsung. Its size is just 1.9 square inches by 1.1 inches in depth and only weighs 1.5 ounces. It has a light indicator in front, while a Type-C port at the back for charging. The casing also has a light indicator, wherein green means well charged, while red means low battery. The bud itself is very light in weight and small in size, which will perfectly snug into your ear. This simply means you can use it on a longer period, which is another good job for Samsung. This is a sensor for a microphone, while the shiny 2-dot metal you can see there is a charging contact, used for charging it while inside the casing. This small dot is also a microphone, probably for it to be able to detect the ambient while in use. The casing itself has a very light magnet, just enough to hold the buds on its casing. Nice work, Samsung. Getting back on the box, this one holds the Type-C cable, which I believe is a meter in length. The replacement rubbers for the earbuds. That's all that I have for this unboxing video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more unboxing videos and reviews. Please watch my other unboxing videos, and thank you for watching.